Let's see. Look, this is cotton. She needs two verticals. She goes in between one side, all around the other side. Can you see that she made two loops, two circles? So we call it double knot. She pulls it down. She cuts it off with a knife. One more. She's going to make one more. Look, she goes first in between. This is the first loop, second loop, which is the reason why we call it double knot. And then she pulls it down. Can we say, ladies and gentlemen, can you say knots are like pixels? Does it make sense? Yeah. Pixels? Right? So she makes every pixel by hand on the paper here. The graph. She will make all of them. This is a part of it though. This is going to repeat many times until the carpet is completed. It's a symmetric carpet. Each little square on the paper is a knot in the color. But did you notice something? Look at her. She doesn't look at the paper at all. Maybe sometimes. Most of the time she doesn't follow it. Why? Because she memorizes it, right? She puts everything in mind to it together. She makes it by heart, no help. She is also free to make her own family design. Because if you ever go to any Turkish house, most probably you find the handmade carpet coming from ancestors, from the old generations today. So, because one handmade carpet will last 10 generations. Is there anybody coming from native English speaking country? Native English? No? But you all speak English. And you know the word heirloom, they say. Heirloom is used for like family heritage, right? Family. This is loom, so the word is coming from this original, heirloom. 10 generations will be using this carpet, handmade carpet. Not only one generation. So, one hand.